Hello beautiful people, in today's video I'm going to share with you my skincare routine. But before that, I'm going to start by wearing these cute scissor pins that I got for myself today itself, and I thought let's just wear it in this video. So for the first product, I'm going to start with this Prolixer Aquamarine Foaming Cleanser. It's a foam based cleanser and the pump is not really working well, but anyways, I'm going to apply this product directly on my skin without any water. You can just simply apply it. You don't need to have water mixed with it to apply it. So it's a really good foaming face wash. If you are looking forward for a foaming face wash, you can go ahead and buy this one, and you can really see that every junk and dirt gets out of your skin. It's really good. Now I haven't shaved my face for a very long time, so let's just do it in this video. But before that, I'm going to use this Plum Goodness aloe vera gel. I'm going to take 2 pumps of it and going to apply it all over my face because I really need to prep my skin before using my facial razor. Earlier in starting stage, I never used to prep my skin before removing my facial hair, but now I do that. I prep my skin so that I don't get any bumps and any infection or anything. So once it's done, I'm gonna take this cute razor from the brand Carmesy. It's such a good razor. It's better than that Tinkle one. And then I'm going to take this Garnier Micellar Water and going to just put it on some cotton pad. I'm using this micellar water to clean my razor because obviously you really need to clean your razor every time before using it so that you don't get any bumps or infection on your skin. And once it's done, I'm going to remove my hair at 45-degree angle. I have made a separate video on how to use facial razor, and also I have made a short video. I usually do this like once in 15 days. I don't do it every single day, and you don't have to do it every single day also. It's completely optional. You can also do it in a threading or waxing manner. You can use your own way of removing facial razor. It just smooth out your skin and it's very healthy. Your skin looks very smooth and healthy, so obviously you need to remove these hair by your own way. I love using facial razor, and it does not makes your hair thicker and darker or anything like that. Once it's done, I'm going to just spray some cold water on my face so that I just calm down my skin and I don't get bumps, because I usually do get bumps if I don't do this. So right now I'm using this cold water, but usually I just use ice cubes or just fresh cold water, and you can really see the difference, guys. Once it's done, I'm going to use this mask. You can use any mask of your own choice. I love this Prolixer one. I have many other. I use different types of mask every week. I do masking like thrice a week, I can say. You can do it as many times, but obviously not every day. So I'm just gonna apply it and keep it to dry for like 10-15 minutes and then just wash it off. And you can see the difference, like camera is not doing the justice. But now my skin is quite dry, so I really need some hydration. I'm going to use this Kaya Youth Hydrating Mask. I've never used this brand earlier. This is my first time trying out this brand. I love sheet masking. I use sheet mask every alternative day because I have a dry skin type and I really need that hydration on my skin, and sheet mask is the only thing that gives me that lovely amount of hydration. Whenever I'm going out or to an event or a wedding or anywhere and I need that special glow, I use sheet mask. I really love Face Shop sheet mask as well, and the Nykaa one. I think all the sheet masks are really good, but the Face Shop has to be my favorite one. But after using this, I really like this sheet mask as well. You can definitely try it out. And now I've started using like a facial massager. Earlier I never used to do this, but now I have added to my skincare routine this massager. I use this massager or a gua sha. You can definitely try any method, but I really love this massager. It has that vibrating effect, and I really think it just calms down my skin whenever I use it in the morning when my skin is quite puffy. My under eye is very puffy, so I just use this massager and it just calm that area down. And once it's done, I just remove it, and look at that glow, you girl. I love this glow, and I use sheet mask just for this glow. Once it's done, I just massage my skin a little bit, and then again I'm going to use this much massager and massage my skin again, because why not to massage your skin. It's completely up to you if you want to use it or not. Now I'm going to use this Plum Vitamin C Serum. You can use any Vitamin C serum from any brand. I have started using this Plum one and I love it. I am going to take like 4 to 5 drops of it and just tap it on my skin. Just press it on my skin rather than dragging it. I just press it so that it just seeps inside my skin. Vitamin C is really good for your skin. It just brightens up your skin, give you that glow, and I don't know, it just makes my skin very glowy and beautiful. Now on the top of it, I'm going to use this Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. It's a lotion, but I use it as a moisturizer on my face because it's very thick and I have already done a lot of skincare. A lot of hydration is already on my skin, so I just use this lotion on my skin and I just love. At last, I'm going to use this lip and cheek tint from the brand Acne. I am in love with this tint. Like, it is not sponsored, the brand has not sent me the product, but I love this product, you guys. I just love this product and I use it every single day. So you definitely need to try out this product. It's just that good. Now you can see the glow that skincare gave me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video and hit the bell icon. Mwah. Bye.
Good stuff, huh? Now a cowboy needs a hat, needs a hat, needs a hat.
She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day.